Setting up a voice agent used to mean a blank screen and a lot of guessing. Not anymore. Every role gets its own starting point, built around the calls you actually run. Pick yours, and the setup shapes itself around your work. Sign in with Google or Microsoft. That's the whole sign up. First, tell Fireflies what you want the agent to run. Screening interviews, discovery, support, check-ins. This one choice sets up everything that follows. Now watch this. Fireflies writes the interview questions for you based on what you picked. Keep the ones that fit, delete the ones that don't, add your own. You're editing a draft, not starting from scratch. And there it is. Your agent, already named, ready to work. Copy the link or jump on a live call to hear it in action. Next, decide what the agent pulls from every call. Scorecards, deal risk, follow-up emails, 200 skills recommended for your use case. Flip on the ones you need. Now, your calls don't just get recorded, they get understood. Connect the tools you already use, your ATS, your CRM, Slack. Notes flow straight where your team works. One last step. Let Fireflies take notes for the rest of your meetings too. Sign up to Working Agent in minutes.